My name is Andriy. I represent PDTOOLS company. PDTOOLS, well-known factory manufacturer of diamond and CBN tools for different industries. Today we invited by our friends and clients Freze CNC. They will show us how to make ball and mill. Fluid length will be 50 mm, diameter 10 mm, total length 100 mm. Processing material Tanger's Carbide. In progress will be used frame forms 1A1, 1V1 and 11V9. Bond type will be high performance hybrid, which means the maximum rate in progress. Grid size 280 or D64 in diamond. WALTER Mini Power machine will help us.
On video you can see settings on WALTER Mini Power machine for making axial tool for woodworking. Tools parameters: total length 100 mm, total diameter 10 mm, flute length 50 mm, flute radius 5 mm. For fluting we used grinding wheel 1A1, fluting depth 2.5 mm. We make this per 2 passes. First pass 2.3 mm and second 0.2 mm. Finishing pass, it's done to avoid edging on the top. Grinding parameters: wheel speed 19 meters per second, feed rate 80 millimeters per minute. Finishing pass: wheel speed 25 meters per second, feed rate 200 millimeters per minute. Next operation is heel grind. The same wheel 1A1, flute depth 0.8 millimeters, wheel speed 19 meters per second, feed rate 120 millimeters per minute. We make it per 1 pass. Operation number 3. Row radius grinding. Grinding wheel 1V1. Grinding parameters: wheel speed 19 meters per second, feed rate 120 millimeters per minute. Operation number 4. Heel polishing. Grinding wheel 11V9. Wheel speed 25 meters per second. Feed rate 180 mm per minute. Operation number 5. Square gash. Grinding wheel 1V1, 45 degrees. Wheel speed 22 meters per second. Feed rate 25 mm per minute. Gashing depth few millimeters. Operation number 6. Contour radius gashing. Grinding wheel 1A1. Wheel speed 22 meters per second. Feed rate 80 mm per minute. Operation number 7. Second backside edge polishing. Grinding wheel 11V9. Grinding parameters: wheel speed 22 meters per second, feed rate 90 millimeters per minute. Deflating slice less than 0.5 mm. And last operation, first backside edge polishing. Grinding wheel 11V9. Grinding parameters: wheel speed 25 meters per second, feed rate 100 mm per minute. Okay, now we can see simulation of all production process.
Now you can see end result. Quality is fine. If you feel interested or need more information about our tools, please visit our website, link in description. Thank you for your attention, all the best, bye!